Hello folks, welcome to Lester's Custom Truck Shop. Russ in Indiana, getting ready to start on your Anytone AT6666. More to come. And I'm gonna add some more water to the sponge for my soldering arm. There's the power cable, microphone. Down there. Back up. And the power cord's going out of it. Just like standing up, I guess. Out here so that I can test it out. Beep off. I can't stand that. Okay. Let's go to channel 20 and check out the receiver. SAM. There's lower sideband. Okay, got a S9 Plus on there. So we are good to go. And let's see, you added something. Let me see what it is. Oh, CTCSS module. Okay. Let me get the covers off of it. We will get started. Okay. Everything looks pretty normal. Let's see, did you add Max Mod? Yes, you did. Oh, and CTCSS module. Time to start taking things out. Oops, come here. You know what, let me grab that cap first. Come here, I need you. Go ahead and clean this one out since it's warm. Okay, you need to move out the way a little bit. Get a good firm grip on that capacitor. And we'll move around the other side and get the filters, because we'll be replacing those. Go ahead and get them out. fillers one at a time. One down. Grab the other one now. And two down. Let's clean out the holes. Uh-oh. I'm leaving deposits. I need to clean out my solder pullet. Doesn't take them long to fill up. You're doing all of this desoldering stuff. Okay. Wait long enough. That center lead there is tied to the ground plane on the top and the bottom of the board, so it takes a little extra effort. And I just noticed over here I was dropping stuff too. Okay. Wait. Yeah, maybe. Okay. Yeah, I need to get the voltage regulator out. Wow, that thing was just barely tight. because my iron is not long enough to get them all at the same time. I'm just going to have to move back and forth. That seems to work. I don't want to try to suck all the solder out from around it, because inevitably you don't get all of it. So if the component doesn't just fall out, don't force it out, because you'll tear out those eyelets, the vias that go from one side of the board to the other. And that's not good, because on things like this voltage regulator, you need that connection between the top and the bottom. I got a little catch spot right here in front of me. Got a little pan there that catches all that scrap solder. But most of the time, every now and then I'll miss it. Okay. I think we're going to put the new filters in first. These are 7.5, made by ECS in China. Of course, everything is made in China. And that center one, I can see right now, is not totally clear. So I'm going to redo it. And once you get the component out, it's pretty easy to get all the stuff cleaned out. And it's still dropping stuff. I need to clear that nozzle. Pardon me for a second while I do that. Don't look too bad. I'm gonna wash it out anyway. That ain't straight. Dang it. Now it is. Now I better check the other one. Okay. Looking good. I'm going to start with the buffer filter for the DC input. We're going from a 470 microfarad to a 2200 microfarad, 25 volt. Okay, and the voltage regulator buffer filter was a 1000. It's now going to be a 2200. I got a filling loose in my tooth and I cannot keep my tongue off of it. I keep going over there and wiggling the damn loose crown, and I realize what I'm doing and stop. And then I forget about it and start doing it again. I'm sure none of you have that problem. Looking good. Okay. I don't know why I started saying that stupid saying there. It's from a TV show in the 70s or 80s. Can't remember the name of it. Okay. Need to get to punch another hole. I'm upgrading you from that Max Mod to a Toshiba 943. Toshiba 943 has much higher voltage maximum than what the Max Mod did. Not that we would ever reach that voltage. It saw 250 volts or 230 volts. I can't remember now. The Max Mod was like 150 or 180. But, you know, I mean, we'll never see that voltage. Not in a setup like this. But, you know, I believe in overkill. You know, make things bigger and tougher than what they need to be, and you'll never have any trouble out of them. And I believe a lot of you feel the same way. Okay, there's a piece of heat sink compound down there that I don't want to carry over to the new one. So I've got a popsicle stick in here. There it is. I'm going to get that off of there. course, if it was still pretty soft, it might have been okay, but just don't want it getting into the new stuff. All right, where is the screw in the nut? Acid brush helps you spread this stuff a lot more evenly and smoother. And you don't want to put too much on there because you come up with this phenomenon called hydraulicking, where it actually, the grease makes a pocket underneath the component, a little air pocket, which allows the component to get super hot. I don't want to put the lid back on there just yet. In that one spot, so you don't want to do that. Come here. Oh, it's so thin, it's hard to pick up. Heat sink compound on this guy. See, the brush helps you spread it out evenly without getting too much on there. Of course, you're going to get this crap on you. I don't care what you do. The only way to keep from it is to wear gloves. And I don't want to take that many gloves on and off every day. And you'll probably still get it on you anyway, even if you do have gloves. Just something about this crap that attracts you. Or is attracted to you, I guess you should say. This is a PNP semiconductor. It works good on these. It also works very well on Rangers and Galaxies to replace the AM voltage regulator. I remember to do this first this time. Oh, excuse me. Man, it's that time of year. Pollen. God, I've never seen so much pollen. Grip it. You can go ahead and tighten this one like that because the leads are going through a hole in the bottom of the board that keeps the component from twisting when you tighten it down. Break out another roll of solder here in a minute. That one's almost empty. Okay. Got the filters in, got the buffer filters in for the voltage, got the Toshiba in place of the Max Mod. Time for me to do my tune. I'm going to have to get that off and that off. Right, let me go ahead and do that. Put a little splurge of solder right there, just one spot, but still it's a pain in the butt because it's hard to heat up, because that can acts like a heat sink. Well, I'm gonna have to use the big iron, so I'll be back. I'm gonna take the covers off, do my tune, and I'll be back to show you the output power. Okay, tune-up's all done, and I don't know what they used for solder, but the solder that I use in their solder, I don't know if you can see that or not, but look how discolored that is. I even tried to wick most of their solder off and redo it, but it still like turns hazy when it cools down, so that was weird. Still making a good electrical connection, but I like for the solder to be nice and shiny. That's probably some of that no lead crap. There, did it have 2 screws in it? Yeah. Some of that ROHS stuff without any lead. Okay. I'll put that back on there now. Well, no, I shouldn't have put it back on there. Well, it'll be all right. Took it off so that I could put some more of the thread locker on there. Now, this one has a couple of mounting screws really close. Look, where in the heck did that come from? Must have come from over here. Man, just my hand just says, "Take me to your leader," or "Take me to the grease." Now, it is grease. It washes off with like some Dawn or some other good grease remover. But still, I don't like getting it everywhere. You know what I mean? And Russ, I don't know what the shift and stuff is where you are, so I'm not going to set this up. I'm going to let you set it up. The tones and everything. You can either, I don't know if there's any repeaters close to you or what the offset is, so I'm going to let you set up that part of it. Okay. All right. I can hook it back up now. I remembered to put the little jumpers back on this time. Didn't go chasing my tail. God, I can't believe I did that. What did I do to this radio? It ain't working. And we are at 13.8. Okay. And this is a little president microphone. Well, I don't know if you know it or not, but some of the presidents are made by Quasang. Like the little Richard that I was working on before. And the President Lincoln and Lincoln II are also made by them. And I think a lot of the Taylor and, I can't remember all of them, are made by Quasang. And before too much longer, there's going to be a Lescom made by Quasang. The base radio is going to be AT6666, but we are making a few minor changes. And well, I say before long.
15 were available from the fair.
We've got a verbal agreement about what we want and the price and everything, but don't have any signed documents yet. But anyway, hello audio, audio, hello, 1 2 1 2 audio. Let me get you down here so you can see this. Close your eyes if you get seasick. Okay. 100 watt slugs on both sides. Spread the legs of the little bipod here. This is a cute little thing. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. So we're reading on the bottom scale on both meters. Audio. We're on channel, what is that, 20? 8 AM. So we're dead key in 10 watts. Audio, hello, audio, 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 audio. Swinging forward to at least 100, a little bit more maybe. Is mic gain all the way up? Yeah, mic gain and power are both all the way up. Hello, audio, audio, 1 2 1 2 audio. It's a little bit over 100. Let's switch to ×2. Now 40, 60, both of those are multiplied times 2, so 40 is 80, 60 is 120, with 100 being that little tick mark in between them. I'm talking about the peak meter now. Hello, audio, audio, 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1 audio, hello. Now, it did this on me earlier. The radio's not really doing 200 watts. I think it's that switch might be getting dirty. I might need to take that switch out and clean it up. Hello, audio, audio, 1 2 1 2 audio. Audio. So just a little bit over 100. On AM, let me switch now to lower sideband. Hello, audio, audio, 1 2 1 2 audio. So you can see we're doing about 20 watts. I can bring that up a little. Matter of fact, I think I will. Because RF power is all the way up. It should be doing more than that. It's going to be the A and L. Hello, audio, audio, 1 2 1 2 audio, audio. That looks better. Testing 1 2 1 2 audio, audio, hello, hello, audio. Now then, let's see what the high power. I thought I had this all set up. The problem is, I set it up with the mic gain set a certain way at 36, and I try to balance it out between low and high. But then when I put it back together, after setting the bias, sometimes it comes out lower because I like to lower the voltage on the bias, and I just simply forgot to turn the A and L and the SSB high power back up. Hello, audio, audio, 1 2 1 2 audio. You can see that works really well. All right. Now let's turn RF power all the way down. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio 1 2 1 2 audio. Put this guy here back on ×1. Audio, hello, hello, audio, audio 1 2. So see, you can turn it way down on this SP power and on AM power. Audio, hello, audio. Okay. Go back to AM. Testing 1 2 audio test 1 2 1 2 audio. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Little radio works great. Now let me turn RF power down on the AM. RF power's down. We're dead keying about a little bit over 2 watts. Audio. And swing it up to, it looked to me like it backed up. Audio. Yeah, it does. The A and L for AM needs to be adjusted now. Audio, hello, hello, audio. Audio, hello, audio, audio, 1 2 1 2 audio, hello, hello, audio. There we go. Audio, audio, audio. Let me turn RF power all the way back up now. Audio, 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 hello, audio. That's the way it ought to work. But like I said, when I pull these little jumpers off and check the voltage, to reset the voltage, I need to change my procedure around where I do that first. But I usually turn it down because like on these, they had it set at, one of them was at 4.2 on the voltage. And I know these 520s are robust, but I don't trust them to stay robust with over 4 volts for bias voltage. So I turn it back down to 3.75. That's where I like to run them, 3.75, 3.8, with the first driver at 3.9. They seem to do really well that way. All right, let me get the covers on it, and I'll be right back. Okay, all done. There it is. Such a pretty little radio. If you like me and got big fingers, sometimes those controls are hard to manage. All right, let's do receiver check. That's AM. Lower sideband. S9. There's FM. I can switch my signal generator to FM. And then I'll go back to AM. Switch back to AM. Need to clean that switch. But there it is. Nice radio. I think you will enjoy it. Russ, I sure hope you enjoy your new radio. It was my pleasure to set it up for you. 7-3, everybody. Stay safe.